Tutorial to show you how to send these receipts for contributions. So you want to go to the contact, the donor contact, and click the contribution tab over here, and then click record contribution, check cash, or if you're entering a credit card, click this button. So we're going to enter a check, and we're going to select as a donation financial type for $10. You could associate with a campaign if you want. So I could say, test, building campaign, Hanukkah, whatever I want. The status should be completed if you did receive the contribution. You could edit the time and date. And then if they have an email in their profile, you'll have this option, send receipt. And all you have to do is click here. You could select the from email address. You could change who is sending the receipt. Put in the check number or transaction ID. Check number here. Transaction ID is for credit card processors mainly. When something's processed through a credit card, it puts in transaction ID, but the field is available if your organization has a way of using it. And then once you're done, simply click save and you'll have this box to confirm, and the receipt will go out. And on the other side, this is what you get. By default, obviously, these receipts do not look like this, but we can customize them and we configure them when you get an account to have a designed receipt. And usually it'll include your tax ID at the bottom and any other details you give us. And that's it. One thing to point out. This message is hard-coded inside the CRM. So if you wanted to change this message, this would have to be done through the support staff, so you'd have to email support. When you're doing online contribution, it's a little different. So if somebody donates on your contribution form, the message that will print out on the receipt will be visible by going to manage contribution pages, and configuring the donate page in question. So if you click on contribution amounts over here, and you click on the receipting section, and you enable it, you'll see you have a receipt message. And so this message, whatever you will put here, will replace this section over here. So the dear first name will remain, but the rest will be changed. So this is a good thing. So you could create a special form for Hanukkah or for high holidays, or whatever purpose you have coming up, and create a custom message for that purpose. I think that sums it up. One last point is that if you forgot to send a receipt, or somebody wants a new receipt, they don't have it for some reason, or they want a new one, you can simply go into the contribution and click edit, and click send receipt again, and save, and it's going to send another one. Okay, that concludes the tutorial.